New day, new
day,
pet.
new mechanic.
New day. Oh. No, roll it off. Well, yeah. It will charge up using that. It backfired, bro. Yes, bro. Why is the moped backfired? It's a two-stroke. Definitely get the performance exhaust tonight.
I haven't seen you, right?
Do you hear that? It just backfires.
Is that cam, right? I've seen you, right? Go, get on.
He's trying to drift! He's trying to drift! Yes, Reese! Yes, Reese!
Told you off the drift, bro. Not very good, but...
Yeah.
No, this one just won't start.
No, the battery's flat. I forgot the battery's flat on this one. The battery's flat, bro.
Can't you start it then?
No, plug the battery into that bike, see if we can charge it up. That's my idea.
Can we do it now then?
And what tools? Oh, we ain't got tools. We'll have to take them both home and do it. We'll still come back up later, though, won't we?
I'm going up the hill with that.
What, on this?
Yeah.
I don't think it'll make it, bro. Let me try it now. I'll see if it's safe.
Huh?
I'll see if it's safe. That's the first time it's died since I put it in. Why have these fallen off? Why have both screws disappeared? We need to get some zip ties. We need to go to Sam Witt's house to get the rest of the fairing.
Where's going on?
And get the other exhaust. It's got a performance exhaust at Sam Witt's house.
Is it?
Yeah. Right, then my turn, boys. Rich, hold the camera.
Huh?
Hold the camera, boy. Give us some gas, remember?
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
Close to this. Huh? Yeah. This one's sick for it, bro. But there's no battery.
Taking the gear.
It's not smoky now, is it? It's still smoky. They're not smoky now. That one's slow. No, that was slow. This one's not fast. I mean, that one's not fast, but this one isn't that much faster.
Normal speed.
It's going off-roading in it, fuck's sake.
Pretty sure Reese is going to fall off. I want to see if I can catch him falling off. Try and chase him with the phone. Look at him, he's got up the hill! He's got up the hill! He's up the hill! He's up, he's up, he's up, he's going around, he's going around, he's going around! You can hear him in the background. He's going up round there, he's going up round there. He's going to try and come down the hill, he's going to fall off! He's going to fall off! He's shitting himself now, isn't he? He kept it! Go on! Go on, Reese! He kept it, yo! My fucking guy! It's raining, by the way, guys. Rain can't stop us. He's trying to drift now. Don't know.
No. Why is he on one wheel? I'll have one more go before getting it.
Bro, he actually fucking yeeted down the hill. Go on, son. Let Rich have another go, bro.
Why did it suddenly just have their power?
Yeah, it keeps doing that.
When you do it, yeah, go up there, turn right, pull it around.
I ain't going up. I ain't going up.
I'm going there, funny.
Yeah, it's real fun off-road. Yeah, exactly.
Go back to me, just listen.
You've run out of fuel! I only put a bottle and a half in there, didn't I? Oh, fuming. Time to go back, put that on charge, fix it up a bit.
Oh, you're sick over there. Bare slippery. Did you follow it to the right and then up the hill?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I done.
That's what I
Slides all the fucking
Yeah,
I was loving it. I thought it was going to come off in the mud.
exactly. But the feeling of coming off is a good feeling, isn't it? It's
That
exciting.
one back to this place, yeah.
Okay. I don't mind walking this one, but... No, leave the keys in there, bro.
Because then you can't get done.
Yeah, no, but I want to leave them in there in case I want to ride it. See if it starts. Two-stroke power. A big breakthrough on the Piaggio. You guys are going to be excited for this. Trust me. I'm currently breathing in a lot of two-stroke fume. Yeah, not fun. Like, the whole garden was hazy a second ago, but it's not at the moment. Yeah, let me just show you what we've done. We haven't done much as such, but we've made progress, and it's good progress, you know? There's always good progress. I'm not going to show you anything over here for a second. I've screwed this on a bit harder. That's pretty fucking solid. Turns out I used screws that are too small. Put some nice thick ones in there now. I've bent that bracket there down because it was bent up. Ready for when we put the front panel thing on to screw it all into place. Stay up, you bastard. I've tightened this down and I've redone all this wiring behind it. All these wires are in the right place now. Guaranteed. By that I mean I just figured it out and it just works, so pretty sure. Not guaranteed. And that's the wires there for that switch that's missing. I put them there. But look what happens now. No way has this thing got a battery in it. No way! And no way do the electrics work. The battery's fucking huge, so it wouldn't fit in there at all. And those wires are too short for the battery that would have been in there. So I just extended them, put the battery there for now. And when I get a battery that actually fits, I'm going to keep these two wires, but I'm going to cut them to about there instead and put new connectors on the end, because only one of these had a connector on as well. But yeah, that's on, and the fuse there is all clipped in. Fuse ain't dangling around. And this is madness. Make sure the battery was topped up with water, because that one does leak very slowly. Not a noticeable leak, but it's there, you know what I mean? And that's all in. Now, does the electric start work? Well, I'll soon show you, won't I? Pull the front brake in, press the button, and it's just a really quiet click from the side panel somewhere. Not sure if you guys can hear the click, but it's just clicking. But the relay's clicking, which is always a good thing. Not sure if the battery's just well flat, which it is, or if I need to rebuild the starter motor, which is the most likely thing right now. But I will rebuild the starter motor. I'm going to do it. I'm also going to try and get my other exhaust today, and a few other bits for it. And yeah, well, I'll make another update in a minute. But so far, good fucking progress, boys. Well chuffed. Trust me. That's one little visual improvement for both sides. Need to screw them in, of course, but I ain't got the little metal backing plate things for them. Oh shit, they actually clip in there and then screw in there. But oh, this whole side panel's out, but it will fit together eventually. But yeah, they go there. Mad. I'm just gonna throw them in there. Fuck it. I've got to go find some parts, and this quick, right? So you know how long we've been working this moped. You probably know when I filled up fuel. It was quite a while ago. Haven't filled up a fuel in weeks, I'll tell you that. I just opened the fuel cap and looked inside because I'm about to siphon fuel out, and it's still fucking full. Bro, this is the most efficiently running vehicle I've ever owned in my life. it's still got all that fuel. I'm not used to this 50cc life. Fucking hell. Fuel for fucking days, man. Me and Richard.
I'll shave my beard.
Oh,
But I'm beautiful now.
look how beautiful he is. And they're just walking down to get some moped parts. You know which parts I just told you, didn't I? But, you know, a few panels in the exhaust. Maybe a blowtorch or something. Pardon me.
Job.
Yeah. And yeah, so we
Ah.
finally hit the end of the night. We've got a panel there now. That little bit there is still broken off. I just placed it there for the looks. We got this front bit here, but it's going to be a zip tie job as only one of the screw holes is still there. One out of how many are supposed to be there. That's always fucking good, isn't it? That's going to have to be zip tied on. But the main thing, the best thing for me, that's a box of parts we just carried back by the way, is I've taken the exhaust apart already, though it's now started raining, so I'm fucking fuming. There's the down, there's the down pipe, and there's the steery bit really. Oh no, the packing shit is all full of water now as well. Oh well, I might soak this overnight kind of thing, might not, don't know. But I've got a blowtorch as well, and it's all going to be burnt out. So sick. This is the end of the video. Safe to say that is going to be a huge improvement than that. And after doing a lot of research, it turns out this exhaust is probably filled with carbon, and so is the one on the mini bike. Because I was reading up, and apparently they don't rev high, and they blow bare smoke out and shit like that when the exhaust is blocked up, which is what both of these are doing. So, also on that mini bike, we did get a little bit more power when we straight piped it, not straight pipe, left the expansion temperature on, but yeah, it ran a bit better. But yeah, so gonna do all this tomorrow, have a bit of fun, and yeah, also batteries on charge over there, and we're probably going to put the electric scooter batteries on charge now because we've got the battery charger, which is mad. Look at everyone just chilling in there. So yeah, see you guys in the next fucking video.